Good afternoon to all. Myself are Sairam. Today our project is about studies on effect of Internet of Things. Department of Computer Science and Applications, Gaud Degree College, Mahabubabad. IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoTs are used anywhere, anyone, any business, and also in any place. IoTs. Internet of Things enables the object to be saved while also controlling it remotely, which enables better interaction of physical world to the computers. This would improve better efficiency, accuracy with limited human intervention. Internet of Things of the interconnection via the internet of computing devices embedded in everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data. Thank you. This project is continued by my co-participator Saiti.
This project name of the sir.
Okay.
I am Saiti. Scope is not just limited to getting the devices connected, networked. It is more than that. But this data has to be interpreted correct, and it needs many another things come hand in hand. Many technologies to work side by side. If you just get the data from the sensors without understanding where to use, how to use, it is useless. Hence, interpretation matters a lot. Internet of Things is not any one technology. It is a collection of technologies and domain knowledge. A mechanical engineer has to work with electrical engineer and CS engineer for a complete IoT products. In 2020, refrigerators, kettles, water heaters, cameras, lights, home equipment all will get into internet, and trust me, it would be 15 billion devices connected to the internet. About 4 billion navigation systems would be connected to internet. About 500 million wearable watches, shoes, etc. would be connected to internet. Hundreds of millions of implants in human and animals would talk to internet. Thank you. This project will be continued by Nikita.
I am Nikita. In this project, this is the one of the topic. Impossible is nothing with IoT. When you wake up, the water heater would have the hot water ready. During bath, the kettle would have cooked your food consumed after bath. When you clock the door, the car door should be open for you. AC shed adjusted based on your body temperature. Parking shops shall be informed while nearing the offices. Pill box shall alert you the time of your tablet intake. While nearing home, the light should be on. Bedroom AC shall be automatically switched on for you to sleep. This project will be continued with Lakshmi Prasanna. Internet of Things. Some of the famous things which we are aware of. Temperature sensors, pressure sensors, humidity sensors. The data from about sensors are collected and sent to the cloud. Based on the data analysis, the control action would be taken. Example: switching off the water heater remotely when the water is heated as per requirement. Not just sensors, the following also can be called as things: industrial motors, wearables, vehicles, shoes.
Start.
Thank you. This project will be continued. My friend Reshmita.
Okay, start.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Reshmita. So IoT challenges are security or personal safety, privacy, data extraction from complex environments, connectivity, and these are security or personal safety. Very high rated or most important challenge. More number of devices are used in IoT infra, and this is a challenge. User data could be vulnerable for theft. People's personal safety is a concern and a challenge too. Since many devices are in the loop, one device is getting attacked, rest of the devices could also be attacked. Our challenge 2. Privacy. You could be tracked or monitored by anyone as are connected in the internet. You could be tracked without your permission in place. So there is a threat. How do we deal with it is a challenge for sure. Challenge 3. How to sense information, measure the data from the complex environments. For an instance, how to sense the data during transport from a transport vehicle Assume a temperature sensitive material is being transported. Challenge 4. Requirement of wide and wireless connectivity. Usage frequency spectrum is also to be remembered. Challenge 6. Power requirements. All the IoT devices need power. Most of them are battery operated. Things too long batteries. However, demand for power is on the rise and usage of given power solar and wind is to be motivated. Challenge 6. Complexity involved. Needs a lot of different domains to come together. Limited experts in the market. The toolkits, software and hardware not abundant. Thank you all.